So I'm looking up all the capacitors in this Hot Water 101. I pulled it out of the shelf here. I'm on the web page for Dr. Greg Latta or whatever, A8V. So anyway, just looking through here, I guess there's pretty much only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside the radio. And then we have the power supply. These belts, I've already done those. Let's see. Unfortunately, somebody painted mine with green paint. It's not like really obvious, but they painted it. Let's see here. So, power supply restoration. This only shows one power cap. Interesting. I think mine has like 4 different ones inside of it. Let's see. When I acquired my Hot Water 101, it came with a power supply. The power supply, however, was not made by Heathkit. Instead, it was a home-built one. Close inspection revealed the circuit was identical to that of the Heathkit HP23 series. More importantly, the power transformer was made by Heathkit and had the same part number. Alright. Let's see, what does it say? 150. Oh, I thought they were 120. Let's see. Total cost, including shipping, as of March 2022, was $60. Yeah, these tend to be kind of expensive from Mauser. And then they charge like about $7 shipping usually, no matter what you order. 1 or 2 or 10. 4 of these 150 microfarad 500 volt. 47, 1 required. 47, 2 required. I probably have some of these. Yeah, it looks like he replaced everything. So I see that they have them down in the bottom then, in this one. But I don't know if his is true to the Heathkit nature. Oh God, why would you paint it brown? Looks awful. Okay, I'm like, brown? And my cord has one of these pins broken off on the back of the radio, which really sucks. So with mine, this little locating pin is missing on the radio, so you have to very carefully plug it onto the back if you undo it. And these allergies are kicking my butt. Power supply. Yeah, that's not what mine looks like. Anyway. But I think mine is the PS23. So anyway, thinking about doing that here shortly. I'm going to order the capacitors and just replace them all. So now that I've got the icon working pretty good, I might put the icon up there on the shelf and put the heath kit down here.